everyone, my name is Shivani Tyagi, your philosophy and ethics teacher. So today we are going to understand yoga. So if you are feeling anxiety, if you are feeling depressed, then all these solutions are given by our Indian sage, our Indian philosophy. The only thing you have to do is understand them, analyze them and implement them in your life. Now let's understand what yoga philosophy is. Now when we talk about yoga philosophy, it was given to us by Indian sage, right, named Patanjali. And he gave like 196 verses in this, and his book was called Yoga Sutra, in which he basically mentioned like all the things, like how our mind works and how it is different from body and our soul. So these are the characters that he gave to us, and his system was known as Ashtanga Yoga and Raj Yoga. So Ashtanga Yoga, in this he explains 8 limbs of the philosophy, which we'll understand one by one, like try to analyze them and with it today's reality also. So when we talk about this yoga, right, so yoga means yuj, which says uniting, connecting together, right? So now let's understand it one by one, that what it was trying to say and how it is still relevant in today's life. So if we see Patanjali, so Patanjali says that yoga is the stopping of the movements of the mind, right? So whatever is basically going on in your mind, then all negativity, right? So this is the solution that we have. So when we talk about yoga, it is basically connected with Sankhya. So these things that we do in a practical way, right, all these things are written. They basically, Sankhya is like theoretical version of yoga, right? So Sankhya have like all the theories, right, and yoga is basically we do it practical, right, all the asanas that we do. Now let's understand that what it says. It says that when our mind becomes calm, we can see our true self, right, Purusha. If you remember that in Nyaya and Vishishka also we talk about Purusha. When we talk about Purusha, it's like self-realization, right, this identification of I that we have, right? So this identification, like I am Shivani Tyagi, right, this Descartes theory, if we remember from the Western philosophy, so this is like Purusha, right?